In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute and unmute yourself in Google Meet using this 2025 guide. If you're joining an online class, a work meeting, or a quick call with others, knowing how to control your microphone is really important. It helps reduce background noise, keeps meetings organized, and makes sure people can hear you clearly when it's your turn to speak. To get started, open Google Meet. You can do this either through the Google Meet app on your mobile device or by opening Google Meet in your web browser on a computer. Once you're there, the next step is to join or start a meeting. You can enter a meeting code, open a meeting link, or create a brand new meeting if needed. Before you actually enter the meeting, you'll usually see a preview screen. On this screen, look near the bottom for the microphone icon. This is the control you'll use to manage your audio. If you want to mute yourself before joining, just tap or click the microphone icon once. When the icon appears crossed out, that means your microphone is off and other participants will not be able to hear you. If you change your mind and want your microphone on before entering, simply tap or click the microphone icon again. That will turn your microphone back on. This is helpful if you want to be ready to speak right away as soon as you join. Once your microphone is set the way you want it, go ahead and select join or ask to join. Google Meet will let you enter the meeting with your preferred microphone setting already in place, which can save time and avoid awkward interruptions. Now, if you're already inside a meeting, the process is just as simple. Find the microphone button in the meeting controls, usually displayed along the bottom of the screen. To mute yourself, tap or click the microphone icon. Again, if the icon is crossed out, that means your audio is muted. When you're ready to talk, tap or click the same microphone icon one more time to unmute yourself. It's a good habit to mute when you're not speaking, especially if there's background noise around you, and then unmute only when you need to respond or present. That's all it takes to mute and unmute yourself in Google Meet. Once you know where the microphone icon is and what the crossed out symbol means, managing your audio becomes quick and easy.